problems. Listen well. Here is the first question in today's class. Self-help group is supplied of rectangular solid bags with dimensions 66 centimeters, 42 centimeters and 21 centimeters. So dimensions are 66 centimeters, 42 centimeters and 21 centimeters. It means the bags is in the shape of a cuboid. Length is equal to 66 centimeters and breadth is equal to 42 centimeters and height is equal to 21 centimeters. Okay. By using the bags, they are preparing candles in the shape of cylinder. So here one women's self-help group have bags in the shape of cuboid. By using the bags, they are preparing candles. So from these bags, how many cylindrical candles they can prepare? It means I don't know how many cylinders they prepare by using the bags. Let number of cylinders are K. And what are the dimensions of cylinder? See, prepared of each 4.2 centimeters in diameter. What is the diameter of the cylinder? 4.2 centimeters. 4.2 we can write as 42 by 10. So R is equal to D by 2 is equal to 42 by 2 into 10. In calculations, 2 2s are 2 1s are. It is 21 by 10 centimeters. Radius of the cylinder is 21 by 10 centimeters. And similarly, what is the height here? Height of the candle is equal to 2.8 centimeters. 2.8 we can write 28 by 10. 2 1s are 2 4s are by 5 is equal to 14 by 5 centimeters. So radius of the cylinder is 21 by 10 centimeters and height of the cylinder is 14 by 5 centimeters. Now you have to find how many candles they can prepare by using the bags. Let number of candles prepared from by using given bags. So I am taking number of cylinders as K. The diameter of a metallic sphere. Here one sphere there. What is the diameter? D is equal to 6 centimeters. Diameter of that metallic sphere is 6 centimeters. R is equal to D by 2 is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3 centimeters. Okay. Is melted. So this sphere is melted and drawn into a long wire. So by melting that, he drawn a long wire. Having circular cross section of diameter 0.2 centimeters. Here, what is the diameter of this one? Diameter of that one is equal to 0.2 centimeters. R is equal to D by 2 is equal to 0.2 by 2 is equal to 0.1. So radius of that longest wire is 1 by 10 centimeters. Find the length of the wire. So here I don't know what is the length of that wire. Let h is equal to k centimeters. Here one metallic sphere is there. He melted that sphere and we cast it to a long wire having thickness or diameter of that wire is 0.2 centimeters. I don't know length of that wire. This wire is in the shape of a cylinder. So here what is the conversion? Conversion is sphere to cylinder. So before the conversion and after the conversion what remains same? Volume remains same. So here volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. What is the volume here of sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to, what is the cylinder here? Pi r square h, pi r square h. So 4 by 3 into pi value is 22 by 7 into radius of the sphere is 3 centimeters. So 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 22 by 7 into radius of the cylinder is 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 into h is nothing but k. Here you have to find the value of the k. In the calculations, see here 3 and 3 gets cancelled. 22 by 7, 22 by 7 cancel. So next what is the remaining here? 4 into 3 into 3 by 1 is equal to k by 100. 4 2s, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So 36 into 100 is equal to k. K is equal to 3600 centimeters. So length of that wire is 3600 centimeters. R 1 meter is equal to 1 by 100 centimeters. It means K is equal to 3600 by 100 meters. Cancel. So K is equal to 36 meters. Length of that wire is 36 meters or 3600 centimeters. In the students, here is another question from 10.4 exercise. A well of diameter 14 centimeters. Here he is digging a well. What is the diameter? Diameter of that well is equal to 14 centimeters. And 15 meters deep. Deep is nothing but height of that well. Height is equal 15 meters. The earth taken out. So from this earth taken out. And it has been spread evenly to embankment. So he poured that soil, that earth like this. Now around the well, here what is formed? One embankment is formed. What is the embankment? See. The place between two circles is called embankment. To embankment, one better example is in cricket ground. So middle of the ground, players they will play. So around the ground, audience place, that is nothing but embankment. So the place between two circles is called embankment. So here, next. Width 7 meters. What is the width of that one? See, width of the embankment W is equal to 7 meters. Now you have to find what is the height of that embankment. For example, first cylinder. What is the diameter? D is equal to 14 meters. R is equal to D by 2 is equal to 7 meters. So the inner radius R is equal to 7 meters. Inner radius of that embankment is 7 meters. Next, height of the cylindrical is 15 meters. Dp is nothing but height. Then here I don't know the height of that embankment. You have to find the height of that embankment. So radius of the cylinder is 7 centimeters and also height is 15 meters. Radius of the cylinder is 7 meters and also height of the cylinder 15 meters. Next, inner radius of the embankment R is equal to 7 meters. R is equal to 7 meters. Then after width of that W is equal to 7 meters. Width of that embankment is 7 meters. So now radius of the outer circle R plus W is equal to 7 plus 7 is equal to 14 meters. Now I don't know height of that embankment. To find this, what is the conversion? According to conversion, volume of the cylinder is equal to volume of the embankment. So pi r square h is equal to, what is the volume of the embankment? Pi r plus r into r minus r into h. Volume formula is area of the base into height. Here area of the base means area of the ring. To find the area of the ring, what is the formula? Pi of r plus r into r minus r. Now apply the values. Pi means 22 by 7 into r square means 7 into 7 into height is 15 is equal to. Pi means 22 by 7 into r plus r means 14 plus 7 into 14 minus 7 into h means I don't know. I don't know height of the embankment. Here 22 by 7 cancel. What is the remaining? 7 into 7 into 15 is equal to 14 plus 7 21. 21 into 7 into h. Now 7 into 7 into 15 by 21 into 7 is equal to h. 7 cancel. 7 ones are 7 threes are 3 ones are 3 fives are. H is equal to 5 meters. So height of that embankment is 5 meters. There are 3 metallic spheres of radius 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 10 centimeters. So here total we have 3 metallic spheres. Total we have 3 metallic spheres with radius. So first R1 is equal to 6 centimeters. Then after R2 is equal to 8 centimeters. R3 is equal to 10 centimeters. So there are 3 metallic spheres with radius 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 10 centimeters. Respectively are melted. So these 3 spheres are melted and recast into a largest sphere. So okay, now here we have 3 metallic spheres with radius 8 centimeters, 6 centimeters and 10 centimeters. He melted the 3 spheres and he made a one largest sphere. You have to find the radius of the largest sphere. You have to find the radius of the largest sphere. Here what is the conversion? The conversion is 3 spheres melted and recast into a largest sphere. So the volume of first sphere plus second plus third is equal to the volume of the largest sphere. So what we can write here? V1. V1 means V1 plus V2 plus V3 is equal to V. So V1 is a volume of the first sphere. V2 is nothing but second sphere. V3 third sphere value is equal to capital V means the volume of the largest sphere. Now you have to find the radius of the resulting sphere. Here. Is equal to r centimeters. I am taking the radius of the largest sphere as capital R. Then what here? V1 plus V2 plus V3 is equal to V. So what is the formula to find volume of the sphere? 4 by 3 pi r1 cube. This is a volume of the first sphere. Next 4 by 3 pi r2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r3 cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. Here from this what is the common? 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi. So I am taking the 4 by 3 pi as a common. So what is the remaining here? R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi R cube. 4 by 3 pi and 4 by 3 pi gets cancelled. R1 cube means radius of the first sphere. R2 cube means radius of the second sphere. R3 cube means radius of the third sphere is equal to R cube. 6 cube means 6 into 6 into 6 plus 8 into 8 into 8 plus 10 into 10 into 10 is equal to capital R cube. 6 cube means we can write a 216. 6 6 are 36 and a 216. See, 8 8 are 64. 8 4 are 32. 3 8 6 are 48 plus 3 51. So 512 plus 1000 is equal to R cube. Now add that. Seven two eight plus 1000 is equal to R cube. 1728 is equal to R cube. This one we can write as 12 cube. 12 whole cube is equal to R cube. Then R is equal to 12. So the radius of the resulting sphere is 12 centimeters. A solid metallic sphere of diameter 28 centimeters. Here one sphere there. Diameter of that sphere D is equal to 28 centimeters. Is melted and recast into a number of smaller cones. So that sphere is melted and is forming some smaller cones. Each of diameter. So diameter of cone is nothing but 4 2 by 3 centimeters. And height of the cone is 3 centimeters. Height of the cone is 3 centimeters. See here, one solid metallic sphere of diameter 28 centimeter is melted, recast into a number of smaller cones. Each of diameter 4 2 by 3 centimeters and height of 3 centimeters. Find the number of cones formed. Here it means I don't know how many cones are formed from the sphere. Let number of cones formed as I am taking a sketch. Let number of cones formed I am taking a sketch. And what is the diameter given? Diameter is equal to 28 centimeters. Then R is equal to D by 2 is equal to 28 by 2 is equal to 14 centimeters. So radius of the sphere is 14 centimeters. Similarly, here also diameter given. Convert as a fraction. First, cone. Diameter D is equal to 4 2 by 3 centimeters. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2. 14 by 3 centimeters. Then R is equal to D by 2 is equal to 14 by 3 into 2. 2 1s are 2 7s are is equal to 7 by 3 centimeters. Radius of the cone is 7 by 3 centimeters. Similarly, height of the cone is 3 centimeters. Now you have to find the value of the K. K means number of cones formed by the sphere. Cones. What is the value of the sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to value of the cone K into pi r square h by 3. 4 by 3 into pi value is 22 by 7. And radius of the sphere is 14 into 14 into 14 is equal to K into K by 3 into pi value is 22 by 7 into radius of the cone. How much that is? 7 by 3. So 7 by 3 into 7 by 3 into height of the cone is 3 centimeters. First of all, 22 by 7 cancel. Here 3 and 3 gets cancelled. What is the remaining here? 4 into 14 into 14 into 14 by 3 is equal K into 7 into 7 by 3 into 3. Now here 4 into 14 into 14 into 14 by 3 into 3 by 7 into 7 is equal to K. First 3 and 3 gets cancelled. 7 1s are 7 2s are 7 1s are 7 2s are. What is the remaining here? 14 remaining. 4 into next 14 into 2 into 2 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to k. 14 4s are 56 into 3 2s are 6 6 2s are 12 is equal to k. 12 6 are 72 12 5s are 55 55 plus 7 12 5s are 60 60 plus 7 67 is equal to k. So k is equal to 672. Total 672 cones are formed. Here from that sphere total 672